Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have a quick share with you of the Memory Dex cards. These are part of the Valentine Extravaganza swap that I am doing on Swapper's Corner, or in Swapper's Corner. And I had made a couple of my Memory Dex cards, and so I just wanted to share them with you here for Memory Dex Monday. So the first one here is on a pink sparkly card that I cut with my die cut, my Heidi Swap Memory Dex card die. And I've used the Romantic Valentine kit, digital kit, and I copied it in, I think this one is the really small size, so let me see, no, it's the 3.5 by 5. So I've taken the 4 postcards and copied them at 3.5 by 5, and so here's one of the little postcards. I've attached that onto, I layered it onto some Valentine paper and then onto this I love you paper. And I left the I love you so you could read it. I've then layered that on top of a piece of lavender lace and then on top of the pink sparkly card. Over here I've used a lace, this one here, the one underneath the white hearts, is a scrap piece of lace, and then I also layered on top this white heart trim. I've cut apart some of the little rose ribbon that I got. Originally it's supposed to stick, well, there's no sticky on it, and so it was in a pile over here, and I've started using them, cutting them apart and putting them on to things. I also added this little glitter heart and the word love from a tiny word sticker sheet that I had from Studio Calico from, from a long time ago when I was, 2013, when I was in their subscription club. So trying to use that up. So this is the first one. So the second one here, now you can see, this is the small card. Now we're in the little bit bigger card. This one is cut out of the full-size postcard. Okay, so I cut the image out. I printed it in black and white, or the grayscale of PDF, and then I cut it out and put it on. I layered it on top of some Valentine paper. I added these hearts from a sticker sheet that I had. The little girl really is holding some hearts, and so I just put them in her hand like they were on the card. These cards are a part of my Romantic Valentine Collection. It's a digital kit that you can find in my Etsy shop at Dearjuliejulie, and you get 4 different postcards, and then you can print them in a variety of sizes. So I've also added this Happy Valentine's Day heart that was in my stash. This vintage tag that was gifted to me. I used some of the words, love you always. Added a couple of scraps of lace down here, some bling bling bling, and another heart from my stash. So this was a really thin paper, and I've backed it onto another piece of cardboard or not cardboard, but cardstock paper that I have in my stash. And then the third one you've seen before. I believe there's a video of me making this, and then I went ahead and I just added this piece. I was looking through some things and this little embellishment fell out, and it matched, so I went ahead and I put it on there. So I will put the videos down below. I believe there's a video showing how to make the love out of wire and this card. So and then I've backed this one with a Hallmark card, and So, and I didn't leave a pocket on this one. Sometimes I'll leave this open so it's a pocket. But, yeah, so those are my 3 Valentine Memory Dex cards that are going to be in the Valentine's Extravaganza Swap for Swappers Corner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in the Romantic Valentine, go check it out at my shop, Dearjuliejulie. There is free shipping. Oh, well, digital. It's just going to go to you. But I do have kits also. And there's free shipping in my shop through February 5th. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, put them down below. Find something to celebrate every day. And don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.